Good afternoon, all. I would like to welcome you all for the 5 days online FDP on intellectual property rights and e-governance, organized by Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science, Computer Science and Engineering, Internal Quality Assurance Cell, Kadir College of Engineering, Avinashi Road, Neelambur, Coimbatore, in association with Oliva International Publications. I would like to thank Kadir College of Engineering KCE, established in 2008 in Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu, is a private autonomous institution affiliated with Anna University and AICT approved. It is a NAC accredited with an A plus grade and offers undergraduate BE, BTech and postgraduate ME, MBA programs in various engineering and management fields. KCE focuses on quality education, innovation, and research supported by experienced faculty, well equipped labs, and modern infrastructure. And the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science offers a 4-year BTech in Artificial Intelligence in 2020. The program aims to equip students with the skills in AI, machine learning, and data visualization for industry-ready careers. Key features include highly qualified faculty, state-of-the-art labs, industry collaboration, and a focus on tech-enabled learning through platforms like eBooks. Students gain hands-on experience through technical clubs and projects, preparing them for roles as data scientist and analyst. And the Department of Computer Science Engineering in both BE and ME, focusing on advanced technology like AI through platforms such as eBox. The department boosts state-of-the-art labs, highly qualified faculty, and industry collaboration for R&D labs. Students can join various technical clubs, including a software development and coding club, and receive gate-focused training. The department's vision is to equip students to address real-world needs through innovation and cutting-edge technologies, preparing them for roles in product-based and service-based companies. And the Internal Quality Assurance Cell IQAC at Kadir College of Engineering aims to develop a quality improvement system, enhance academic and administrative excellence, and promote a learner-focused environment with a blend of teaching, learning, strategies, and technological integration. The IQAC is integral to achieving KCE's vision to be at the forefront of technical education and to nurture competent, value-driven professionals for the corporate and the industrial world. And we would like to thank the event coordinator, Kanimoli ma'am, Kavita ma'am, Assistant Professor AADS and CSC for collaborating with the Oliva International Publication. And I would like to welcome today's speaker, Ram Prakash sir.
Okay, very good evening all. My voice is audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible. 1 minute, sir, I will complete the introduction.
Okay.
I would like to welcome today's speaker, Ram Prakash sir. He has presented a paper on AI-enabled Internet of Things IoT or smart for next generation smart agriculture. And first international conference on software-defined networking, College of Engineering, Guindy, and acted as a resource person on basics of Python with hands-on approach and deep learning RNN in Anna University sponsored FDP and hands-on session on data visualization and case study, CARE Engineering College, Tiruchi, and artificial intelligence at Mutayamal Arts and Science College, Rasipuram. And she has authored two number of books, and he has published a book research monograph on Handbook of Cybersecurity, Handbook of Python. I welcome you, sir.
Yeah, thanks a lot for my introduction, and I welcome you all for this 5 days program on IPR and its use cases. So today, the word IPR means of intellectual property rights plays a major role not only in India, around the globe. It's a word which can what is that? We can say it's a magical word, like how we can able to find on an innovative idea based on an innovative idea, how we are going to design a product or design a system in terms of our requirements. Okay, so before going to this, and I can able to share my screen. Okay. Okay. So just to go to a trends in Google. So like in the trends in Google, you can see the word IPR. How this word IPR can reach out to the people. You just search it here. Like I can search it for an intellectual. I don't know property rights. So just exploring this. So this is the keyword I'm just searching in the trends of Google. So we can see like how many people are searching this keyword in the Google in terms of the states of irrespective of any states in India. Like in the peak of August 31st night, 10:18 p.m., there are 100 people search the term which is called IPR. So like the it can reach out the people like in the yesterday night 10:18 p.m. Okay, so it's a very good term, and if you region wise or city wise, you can see like there is no data is available, and you can search it through the web search or image search how this word to be. Okay, so the passing category of this word IPR, it's a very word like in YouTube. September 1st today, early morning, some 100 people have searched about this intellectual property rights. So, what is the intellectual property rights? Is the today topic. So, I'm going to show about the basics of IPR and how we can be able to go with the patents and how we can able to file a patent and the things related to this IPR. So, what is that IPR? So, the intellectual property rights, it's a term which can tell on some innovative idea. An innovative idea, you can able to create an innovative idea in terms of a patent or in terms of your a trademark or in terms of your what is it designing. Okay, so anything like when you go for this type of an intellectual in Tamil we can say arivusar sotturumai. Okay, so in this intellectual property rights we can able to do the patents and we can able to file a trademarks, copyrights, industrial designs, geographical indications, trade secrets, and integrated circuits. So these are the types of an intellectual property rights where we can able to do that. So first we can able to file a patent. So patent is an innovative idea of yours, not for others. So we cannot plug or we cannot take some other invention. So we have to find some invention and we can able to file it. So the trademark and copyrights, the trademarks, like you can able to create a logo or symbol for your businesses or your educational institutions or your industrial requirements. You can able to create a logo or specific standards for your own. Like it's a visualization part, you can able to do that. And copyrights may be a very, very important thing. Like if you write some book, then the copyright must be of your book only, not for other publisher. So you can write your book with your own words. You cannot, again, I'm telling the plagiarism. You cannot take the copy of the other's data. So you have to take the thing which is on your own innovation and own idea, you can able to write, and that can be protected from others. That is going to be the copyright belongs to you and you only. That's going to be copyright. And we have some industrial designs also. There is called designs. So we can, for that design, we can go for a car design or any dress design or something like the design of Maruti Suzuki is entirely different from the design of Toyota, the car invention. So maybe that designing of architecture may be a different. It cannot be it must not be a same design. And geographical indications, like you have your country, you have your city, then any specialty in your city, you can able to geographically indicate that. In Tamil, we can say in Coimbatore, what are the geographical indication for Coimbatore? What is the geographical indication for Erode? You know, a geographical indication, it's a unique standard to be presented to the across the globe using this pattern. And third secrets, integrated circuits can be added presently in order to we'll discuss one by one. So why we go for this intellectual property registration? So first of all, I don't want to go for more much of theory. I can do some practical demo also. So for economic benefits, like if you are creating any new invention, so the IP can enable the creators to protect and monetize their creation. First of all, you can able to create and you can able to protect your in an innovation. You can so you have invented something and you can protected something. Meanwhile, also protected, you can able to monetize. You'll get a money from the creations. So third party cannot use their creation without authorization from the creator. So third party cannot be involved. I'm going for a simple example for that. What is it? I can go for a simple example, like to protect and monetize their creations. We can able to like this invention can be monetized from the anywhere. Okay, so we can go for some MSME pattern. So see, you can see this MSME is a micro small medium enterprises. This is the government of India. They can able to give some lakhs of rupees for you when you have the idea. Okay, so this patent registration, you can just search this MSME portal. In this MSME portal of an India, in Tamil Nadu also, this in the MSME innovative. It is specifically for IPR, intellectual property rights. Suppose you have some idea related to this intellectual property rights, you can visit this website and you can apply here. Okay, so you can apply. What all the person can apply is a foreign patent. If you are like you have some patent, you have some idea, you have applied an idea to some regions. Okay, if you your patent get published in some countries, in foreign countries and all, they can provide the maximum financial assistance of 5 lakhs rupees. For your patent, you are registered within India, then they can provide they can provide you for 1 lakh. The geographical indication I told, no, for Erode we can go for Manjan. In Madurai we can go for Malligaipu. These are the geographical indication for the some standard. Okay, in Coimbatore, what is the geographic indication? Anybody in Coimbatore? Like you can go for what is that? A textile. That is Tirupur. What are the Coimbatore? Coimbatore, we have some indication is there. And design registration, you will get 0.15 lakh. That is hopefully 15,000 you will get. And trademark, you will get for 10,000. So eligibility is you can apply in a Udayam registration. So you have to register in your Udayam. Udayam registration for the business. Like you can go to an Udayam Udaya registration portal, and you can suppose you have some idea, like you want to start one company, like entrepreneurship company. You want to become an entrepreneur. You must register in this Udayam registration portal. It's completely free. The registration is completely free, and you can able to register. Like you want to start some company. Suppose you have some idea, like I insist the students and faculty members, if you have any idea, like you want to start any new company regarding your own product, some innovative idea you have, just you can register in this Udayam registration. It's a very good portal where you can get a lot of exposure. Okay, and the second one I can go for EDTTL. like it's a entrepreneurship development and innovative institute. Sir, suppose I have some ideas. This all the ideas to be in a patented idea. So as a student, you have some innovative idea with you, or faculties or innovative ideas with you. You can register in this portal, Entrepreneurship Development of Innovative Institute. Like this is for specifically for Tamil Nadu, and for India, you can apply for MSME portal. So MSME, like those person which is outside of Tamil Nadu, you can register in MSME portal. Those who are belongs to Tamil Nadu, like you can go to this editin.in website, and you just go to one program. In this program, you just go for this IVP. It is called Innovation Voucher Program. Throughout the year, this portal will be open. Innovation Voucher Program, the portal will be open for you. And here, suppose you have some ideas, like some startup ideas related to agriculture, environment, energy, horticulture, veterinary, fisheries. Suppose you have an idea, they can provide up to the 2 lakhs for you. This is a pattern only. I'm telling these are some IPR ideas. Okay, so granted up to 2 lakhs for the under voucher A, and converting your idea to a prototype. Suppose you can create one model for your idea. Suppose we have seen the movie which is called Coolie. So in the Coolie movie, Satyaraj has created one chair, okay, which can demolish our animals and human being. That chair is going to be a prototype. You have to execute this prototype, then you will get the 5 lakhs rupees 5 lakhs for your commercialization support. Will be provided for you with the free. Okay, so this is called this innovative voucher program. So you must apply it. Not you don't go for an eligibility of MSME startup. As a user, you must apply in this platform, and you must be registered in the India. And like you can CIBIL score must be 750 or more, but it does not require for the students. And you have to show your objective of this model. Okay, so you can apply for either voucher A or voucher B in a separate portal. First, you can apply for voucher A. This is your patented idea. So voucher A, it's a financial grant provided for the IVP to assist the business in validating, developing your ideas and prototypes. Okay, so this is the thing you can just go to and you just apply it. Suppose you have some innovative idea, then select on voucher A and give your name, your date of birth, contact mail ID, and you can register it, and you just go to the next step. Okay, this is the thing I want to say for the students and faculties. Faculties also can able to apply it as a user. And these are the programs where you can able to supposed to use, and IVP is a very, very important program. Throughout the year, this portal will be open. You don't go for, sir, is there any limitation this time or this time only the portal will open? No, nothing. The portal is open throughout the year. And the person though is from outside Tamil Nadu, MSME, we have some MSME hackathon. So hopefully many of the colleges know the hackathon. So the MSME hackathon will be an idea hackathon will be provided by the this MSME. Like it is an incubation scheme. Finally last month itself on a hackathon 5.0 has been completed, like ideas to be completed. So these are the 5 ideas you can able to, this is the patentable ideas where you can able to apply it. It's for low carbon footprint technology, street surveillance, cyber technologies, or innovation in the adoption of industries, or innovation for business, or smart and resilient supplies. So these are the ideas they were given, and based on this idea, you can able to apply it for this idea hackathon 5.0. Okay, so this is another thing where you can able to apply it, and it can tell your an innovative MSME idea, like you can able to suppose do it. Okay, it's also free of cost. They can provided you for 15 lakhs. If your idea is selected, then they can provide you for 15 lakhs, 15 lakhs. Okay, so this is the next way we can go for this patentable idea. This is also the one of the intellectual property right model we can use. Okay. So you can see this innovative, it's IPR. It's a very, very important strategy. We must know about this IP registration. Second one, we can go for the consumers and society. It's a beneficiary of consumers can be an innovative product and innovative services to be patented. And the innovation must be a promote the innovation with the research, and it can be and also it can apply to the education sector also. I forget to put this. Okay. So the legal benefits, you can able to appropriate civil and criminal remedies if their rights are be infringed. That is the legal. So you cannot copy it. That's I'm saying again and again. So மத்தவங்கள பார்த்து copy அடிக்காம just you can able to create your own model. That must be a uniqueness. That must be show your uniqueness. Okay. So what is a patent? A patent is a form of an intellectual property which can provide a invention or discovery. So the invention of your product or invention of anything like related to the which can able to use to the society or anything like we can say an invention or a discovery. This exclusively allow the patent holder to prevent others from making, using or selling or disturbing the patented innovation without permission for a specified period. This is very, very important and limitation of the patent. So as a patent holder, you must prevent some others from making or using or selling the disturbing the patented innovation without the specific period of time. Okay. So it is actually an invention by yourself. So what are the importance of patents? Like this is the very important source for your literature review. Like literature review, you can take it from any sources. Like lot of literature reviews are there. You can go to any website and you can provide the the previous papers. That is the very, very important source. So you can able to get the previous sources from the literature review of lot of literature review tools are there. I just go to Litmaps. It is also the literature review assistant where you can able to search a variety of papers. Like suppose you can put the keyword IoT. Okay, Internet of Things. Like you can say, if you search this IoT, like what are the authors to be written some papers, and if you click this paper, click this link, and all the literature related to this paper will be replicated in this platform. Okay, so who is the author? Who is the sub-author? Okay, so this literature related to this literature data, you can fetch it at a fraction of second from this Litmaps. Okay, so if you click this model and the paper description will come, it is a seronegative neonatal lupus case study report. Suppose you want the PDF of this paper, you just click this paper PDF. Okay, so this is a journal where this paper is there. So you can download the paper extension and you will get the literature of this paper from this directly from this website. So all those things will be available in this Litmaps. Like any literature review need, any topic, you just put the keyword of this. Okay, so you can put any keyword IoT, like lot of papers will be coming here. Okay, so analysis of complication, like any topics. I just put IoT. Suppose you people from which department? You people from AIDS department, all the departments. Can you put the chat box? So can you put the chat box? So a computer application, yeah, very good. Okay, so computer application, commerce, management, commerce. So I just put the keyword and the literature review. I just put the in the literature review. I just put an business. Business research methods. So I just click this business research method, and from this business research method, like you can able to get the source of information. From the source of information, like you can collect the lot of source of information, and you can able to create an abstract for your pattern. The abstract is the first step to create the pattern. Okay, any idea, you have to get the idea of the paper. So this is the one paper. Like I just click this paper, and this is the effect of leadership competency on performance of state corporation in Kenya. Like the purpose is, and the major, what is the objective of this paper is some leadership state cooperation in Kenya, and how this survey, like uh, some leadership competition in Kenya. So, we can search the correct keyword. So I just put the keyword correctly. Business application. I just put business applications. Okay. So e-commerce business application I can search. In this e-commerce application, I will get some papers. Like what I'm saying, these are the source of information and literature review. You can take it and you can study. You can study the paper again and again. So I just put a review of sentimental analysis research in Chinese language. So I just get the PDF of this paper. Oh, so we can sign in here. We can sign into this lit maps, and we can. So I just put sign in option. I can sign with my Google account. Yeah, this is a platform where you can search your literature review of the papers. I just put business. Okay, so I just put this business application, and I can search what are all the literature review papers are available. Okay, so I can select the business application of data mining. Okay, I just get the PDF of this paper. Okay, some limitation is there. We have to pay something, or we can be able to get. Okay, so we can select the next one. Yeah, this paper PDF is available. Social network analysis in mining for business application. So this PDF will be available. From this PDF, you can get some like the paper, what the paper is doing, and you can take some literature review of this paper. So hopefully there are 37 pages in this journal. So after this, you can search the literature review of the authors, what they are doing in the business application, you can be able to get. Okay, so this is the first step to get the idea of for the pattern, or what are all the ideas we can able to find out, and how it can able to uh, applicable to for my invention. Second one, we can go for the real scientific invention. We need the real scientific information. Based on the real scientific invention only, they can provide the funding for us. They can provide the fund for us. They can provide some financial supports also. And you can avoid the duplication. That's very, very important. So you can avoid the plagiarism oriented. So you cannot copy it. I'm again and I'm saying, so you cannot copy it, and you cannot use the other's idea. The idea must be unique, and the idea must be yours, not for others. Okay. It is a pathway path. It's a path the new discoveries, and it can be a wheel to be reinvented again and again. So we must start the reinventing the wheel, and we can identify the new areas. As a business applications, as a computer application, we can go for a new ideas in your domain. You can update the technology of yours, and you can go for the new area where my patentable idea to be uh, uh, will be search. Okay, I can able to search the new area. Like I can go for a IoT technologies, or I can go for a business application. Likewise, you can identify your own area, your standard areas to identify your patterns. And if you apply for the patent, what are the benefits of this patent registration? So I'll explain about how we can able to register the patent, and what all the patent steps are there. I'll explain one by one. The first steps for patent benefit is you can product your invention. So that's the first thing. You can product your data. No one can use your data. That is also the other name of copyright. Okay, so production of your invention is the first step, and this step will be a seller to transfer to their patentable idea. So you can able to sell the patent, or you can able to transfer the patent with your own copyright, with your own production. And this patentable idea will be a 20 years of validity. So just you can apply for a patent now at the age of 22 or 23. So up to 42 or 43 years it will be valid. Okay. So at least maximum of 6 months to 1 year, your patent will be published through the patentable office. I'll explain what is the idea and what are the patentable ideas and what are the patentable offices are available. So 20 years of validity, your patentable ideas to be help in growing the business also. See, if your patent is granted, many of the organization will support you, will fund you, like MSME, AICT. So AICT, we have one, as a faculties, we must know about, you must know about this AICT. We have one portal which is called this Kapila scheme. Kapila scheme, AICT Kapila scheme will provide you funding for you. Suppose you have your own invention, like your organization, like some Kadir college. Suppose your people in the Kadir faculties or students will put some patentable papers. Okay, so that funding for 15,000 patents to 5,000 design application registration is open. So here you can apply it and you will get the funding from the AICT also. This Kabila from the AICT will give the funding for you. Suppose you have some great patentable publication. The more number of publication from your side, then mostly your patentable will be published. Okay, so this Kabila aims to recognize your patentable ideas, innovation, and best practices with encouraging the innovation of ideas. So all the education institution, all the government of India will be encouraging you people can able to put a patentable ideas. Okay, so this is the very important IP awareness. So get up to 12,100 IPR per patent. What patent? Suppose you are published one patent, you will get 12,100 rupees. Or your patent will be a design patent. Hello? Hello? Any doubts? Somebody mic on. What is Priyanka ma'am? You have any doubts? Priyanka ma'am, you have any query? Priyanka ma'am. Hello? Okay. So this IPR courses also available to support the UG, PG, PhD students to allow institute to university flexibility for the subject area. So all must know about what is an intellectual property right and what must be know about intellectual property right, etc., etc. So your patent online is published, then the title of the patent, date of file patent, and your co-applicant's detail to be applied to this portal. After screening the application, they can do some final division and funding to be released to your institute. Okay, so like in Kapila Institute, there are 2,308 institutions registered, and there are 26,000 applications were registered, and many of them have got this patentable funding, especially for colleges. It can be throughout the year. The fund will be released on every 4 months. Okay, if anybody got this funding from Kapila, any institution have got the funding from Kapila? Faculties? Anybody have got the funding from Kapila? No. Okay. Up to this, you have any doubts, any queries? The session was okay for you? Only one reply from Ramesh. What about others? Others are sleeping or because there's time to. Okay. Okay. Because yeah. Thank you. Okay, thank you. So you can also receive a royalties. The funding, you can also get the funding. You can be able to receive the royalty and monopoly also, like you can able to get. And what is the eligibility to file a patent? So if suppose your patent, your innovative idea or innovative invention will be giving the novelty. Novelty means the originality of the invention. The originality of the investment must be a unique. ஸோ நம்ம எல்லாருமே கண்டுபிடிச்சிருக்கோம் ஒரு 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 இதை கண்டுபிடிச்சிருக்கோம்னா அந்த பேட்டன் யாருமே முன்னாடி ரிஜிஸ்டர் பண்ணிருக்க கூடாது. இப்போ சப்போஸ் வேற யாராச்சும் ரிஜிஸ்டர் பண்ணியிருந்தாங்கன்னா யுவர் பேட்டன் கெட் ரிஜெக்டட். That is a very important thing. All must be know. Every pattern must be a uniqueness which is far away from the ideas of others. Okay, so a novelty is very important. Non-obviousness is also important, and it can be applicable to the industrial and society also. Your pattern will be very much useful to the industrial applicability as also the society, how the people can use your unpatentable ideas. That is going to be very important for this industrial applicability as well as the social impact of the awareness which can be created based on your ideas. So how I can able to search the pattern? So search the patterns, other benefits low if you know the new invention with the latest technologies. What are the new inventions are there? What are the latest technologies invention I have it? Okay, that is also the very important factor. Like you will get some research area invention. So you have some industrial new product invention and also technology trends. You see, like Apple iPhone company has to manufacture their phones in India. There is especially they have to open a new market in India. So this type of new industrials to be coming to the market and the new invention to be also coming to the market. Like nowadays we can go for a e-bike or e-vehicle, electronic vehicle, electronic bike. Like we are the technology is booming now. So same wise, based on the technology of your own domain. Suppose you are people belongs to computer science, you people belongs to civil, some people come to a mechanical, some people come to a commerce or history or botany or zoology. Like your ideas must be on technology, either it will be technology or your own path of an idea. That trending must be very important. So I want to go to some patentable search for you. These are some websites. You just to go to one thing, like we just go to a website called Patent Google. So Google Patent is the very first important website where you can specifically search the patent of your own. Okay, so patent.google.com. Suppose I just type a cricket stump with light. With the light blinking. So I just search this, what is that? A cricket stump with the light blinking. So suppose we have seen that cricket match. There's suppose if any ball which can hit the stick, then what light will come. That is the that is the first pattern for that stump. Okay. So whenever that cricket ball will hit the stump of your which will be what is it, hitting very fast into the stem, that bias will be down and the one red color light will be blinking. That is one of the first patentable idea for the cricket match. Cricket stump, we must give the keyword in a correct way. I just put cricket stump. You can also relevant search with the images also. So which patternable ideas related to this? You can see a lot of ideas are there. Actually, I have to give the correct keyword. Okay, so simply I can just do the cricket stump. What is the idea will come? So I just click the first link. And this time method to analyze improve the sport performance using monitoring devices. Okay, my keyword will be related to the. I have given the keyword is cricket stump, but it can give some output is what? A system and method to analyze the improved sports performance using monitoring devices. And you can study the abstract also. So in this abstract, they will give some visualization of the monitoring device, how the AI will be coming into the game monitoring device. So the game monitoring device, which can detect the several data points of the player and transmit the same to the remote server. So this pattern will be the Australia pattern. You can see here, it's going to be Australia pattern, and it can the inventor of the pattern and the current assignation is there. So in 2017, the pattern has been idea and the expiry is 20 years. So the pattern was registered in the, like I can go for zoom it app and zoom it. So zoom it app will zoom your screen. Okay, so this idea will be this pattern, the idea, the pattern that in the year of 2017. But up to 20 years, it can be a validity to 2000, up to 2037, your idea get published. So you can see, so anticipated expiration is 2037. The status application granted date is, you can see, within 2 years, my patent to be published. You can see. So within 2 years, my patent to be published. So I was registered in the month of 14th September, and my patent was published in the year of 2019. There is a 2 years. After 2 years, but now within 6 months, your patent will be published. Okay, so 2 years, but I don't know why this timing delay. In 2020, what is it? It can assign to the particular sports company where any patentable ideas to be implemented. In 2020 only, it was granted. You can see 2017 is registered, but it was granted after 3 years. It's a huge delay because hopefully it can be Australia patent. In India, it will be published very soon, but it's going to be Australia patent. I just download the PDF of this paper. You can see this PDF of this Australia patent. It can tell about the title of this sports performance using some monitoring devices, the application number, data filing, and WIPO number is going to be, I am going to explain about WIPO in the next few, after the few slides. WIPO, it's a World Intellectual Property Organization. They can provide the intellectual property rights for among the globe. Okay, so that number must be a very important number. Suppose if you registered in Indian Patent Office, that Indian Patent Office number is different. Okay, so this is the number, and it is the publication date, and this is the accepted journal date. So after accepted journal, your applicant is this is the applicant name. The applicant name is STR Bat Sports Corporation. Their inventor is Daga God Ragul something. The agent is Melbourne, Australia. So this is the World Intellectual Property Organization application number based on the filing date, filing language English, inventor from Bangalore. The inventor is from Bangalore, but they have registered in Australia Patent Office, not in India. there are a lot of different countries having their different patentable office. We have Australia, we have UK patent is there, we have European patent is there. Okay, so we have an Indian patent. So all the countries having their patentable office, but this idea is from India. Like the persons, they are from Maradakalli Bridge, near Maradakalli Bridge, Bangalore. The inventor name is Rahul. He is from Bangalore. Okay, but they have registered in an Australia patent. Okay, so we must show the each and every pattern. You have to write. Suppose what you are writing the journal, the same like you can write the pattern. So each and every pattern having their own abstract. You have to show some abstract. What is your new innovation idea and what is the new discovery? You have to show it to this and what is it in this patentable abstract. And you can also draw the flow diagram. What is the application of this pattern? Also, you can be able to show that. Okay, so this diagrammatic representation you have to show that, and it can able to after the application, you are patentable to be a journalized, and it can be show the output. Okay, so this is the background and what are the technical they are using. Okay, like they are giving the points and what are the objective of this the monitoring device and all, they can do it. And summary of the project, totally the size of the like the pages of the total number of pages in this patent is 108. You can see the points they have to elaborate. What are the new and innovative with the existing? What technology or what the thing you are implemented new? So suppose you can see this is the output. Okay, so this is the diagram monitoring device. We are connected to the network from the computing device, from the gateway device, how the data to be fetched from the player. Using some databases, some AI techniques, some machine learning techniques, we are applied to the this monitoring device. It can able to fetch the data from the user. Some Bluetooth technologies. So this is a cricket bat. Like these two sensor will be embedded here. 108, 102. It's a point of 102. Some sensors to be monitoring device to be embedded, and this monitoring device to be also equipped with the helmet of that is the player's helmet. Okay, player's helmet, player's bat, player's what is that? What is the name of this? I forget. Can anyone know the name of this? They are putting in the can anyone know the any cricket lovers? What is the name of this? Kala Katra, the name, like I don't know. I forget. Even though I'm also a cricket fan, I forget. So because
leg pads.
Sir?
Leg pads or knee pads?
Yeah, leg pads. Yeah. Thank you, sir. So all those monitoring device to be fetch, and it can be installed in the player's helmet and the player's bat, leg pad. Okay, all the leg pads and their foot. Okay, so this monitoring device can able to fetch the. So this is the flow diagram. How this can be the device to be initialized, and how this computing device to be identified. So hopefully this monitoring device should be connected to the Bluetooth. Through the Bluetooth, we can able to get the output of whether this what is the output. We can able to see that. You can see the points. So a lot of steps are there. So these are the patentable ideas. They can show it in each and every points. So the game monitoring device is initialized, and it can computing the device is identified. Device is already paired. If it is not paired, we can able to say the same like Bluetooth. Okay, we can able to pair the devices with the players, with the computing device. After computing device, it can be paired. Then it can able to check the the monitoring of the game. The game monitoring device can monitor the sensors devices, can able to synchronize with all the sensors to reducing the delay of the data. Like suppose nowadays we can see like any player in cricket and all, some that bat whether the ball is touched with the bat with some snickometer. What is that cricket we can make? Sticko cricket. Yeah, yeah. There is called a snickometer. Whether this bat, this is also another patentable idea. Whether this the ball can touch the bat or not. So this is a snicko. It is also the patentable ideas. You can see whether the bat can touch the ball, can touch the bat or not. It can touch this bat, then automatically the sensor can. What is that? So hopefully this is also the cricket monitoring device where whether this ball can touch the bat or not. We can able to identify very easily from this snickometer. It is also another patentable idea, another patent, an interactive patent have been created. The same as the cricket monitoring is another patentable idea which was created by the Bangalore peoples. Okay, so these are the diagrammatic representation. You have to show it, and so it is a linear aggregation of the cricket shot motion of the bat, how the player can play a ball. So this grounded shot, what is the spin speed of the ball and what is the impact speed, a bat lift angle and balanced index. All those things, so we can able to measure it. So whether this bat will be interacted with this, how this the interaction of bat with the player. In all the angles to be represented with a beautiful diagram. Okay, so this is the another patentable idea. So these are the patents where you can able to search it, and it will take some timing delay, but mostly it's going to be a very, very good patent. So if your patent is granted, you will get a lot of funding from the government as well as the private organization. And also Google can have the advanced search, and also we have the advanced search also. Okay. Yeah, you can go for this advanced research also. You can search the term, what type of terms you need, from which year the patent has published, anybody inventor. Okay, so you can able to search it from this Googleable patent. And we can next go for SpaceNet. It is also the free patentable idea platform where you can able to search the patent. And it's going to be a European model. All the European patentable ideas were published in this SpaceNet. Okay, so this SpaceNet, it is a purely European patent office where you can search 150 million patentable documents are embedded here. So you can get the literature review from this patentable ideas. It's also a very, very free tool where you can able to use it. Okay. So you can also search the advanced search also options also available. You can able to search it, and suppose I just put. Can anyone can type your patentable ideas or your own domain? Can you please click it? Just you can type it in the chat box so that I can put it in the keyword of this SpaceNet. Anybody? Yeah, Ramesh sir, it's going to be leg fat. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So any patentable ideas, anybody just put your keyword here in the chat box so that we can search. Anybody, please? I need an interaction between myself and you. So please try to, as much as possible, you can interact. Any patentable ideas do you have? Or any keywords you can put it. We can search it. Any patentable ideas, please? Nothing? Helmet with the sensor. Okay, I just put the helmet with the sensor. I can copy this and I just put it in the this space net. The helmet with the sensors, we can able to search it. Yeah, a visual communication system for helmet and novel helmet with multiple sensors. So I just click this link, a novel helmet with the multiple sensors. This is the European patent. Applicant's name are there, invention are name there, their name. And published idea is there. So I can click this link. Actually, this is the novel idea for the patent. So a novel helmet with the multiple sensor were embedded with this helmet. Okay, so multiple sensors to be fetched here. So something related to like this, some sensor may be acted as a camera, some sensor will act as a location where the players are monitoring, etc., etc. This is the model we can able to do that. It's the prototype where we can able to do that. Okay. Okay, so this is going to be a patentable idea where you can click this model and you can study the abstract also. So here, this model related a novel helmet with multiple sensor. This helmet body where a minor lamp with a switch is arranged on the helmet body. Something lamp will be fixed in this model, and in the control box with the handheld device box also arranged in the two sides of the helmet body with the processor and sensor and gaze sensor, a voice sensor are also inside this control box. We have lot of sensors are embedded here in this helmet, a wireless sensor, a gas sensor and voice sensor, a power module sensor also applied in this box, and display device also there. And according to the novel of this helmet, all the sensors with the display device processing units are integrated, arranged in a helmet body to improve the portability of the helmet. And handheld display device, a microphone were also provided with the emergency locking reactor, respectively, can improve the use of convenience of the helmet. So all the in order to protect our head, like we have imparted with all these sensors, like the information transmission between the ground and the whole of this and the downhole is going to be smooth efficiently. We can utilize the network characteristics of the wireless sensor. Okay, so any type of what is it? An interactive and innovative idea to be integrated with all those things. Okay, so this is the way you can able to search your patentable ideas with all those things. And ipindia.nic.in also, it is also a another Indian our Indian intellectual property right office search, patentable search. So it is going to be a true one also, you can able to search it. Okay, and we can go for an WIPO search, like it's going to be a word intellectual property right search of your patents. Okay, that's also applicable. Yeah, so this is going to be a bad intellectual property organization search, simple search of anything. Like there are 124.1 million patent documents, including 5.2 million published international patents also available. So any patentable ideas, so up to August 28, you can see here. So up to August 25, 2025, all the PDA's publications are available. The next publication is 2025 September 4. So every week they have updated and they can publish the idea of anything in the world. Okay, suppose I can search my name. Ram Prakash. My name is Ram Prakash. I just put my name, Ram Prakash Singaravi. So any author, those who have published any patent in this around the globe, where you can easily find. So I can search my name. Yeah. So after searching my name, my patent, I was published one Indian patent. So that Indian patent number, I was published. My patent was not granted till now, but it was published. So in 2023, I was published one patent. It's called IoT-based greenhouse hydroponic system for speed germination of Echenia purpose seed. So I have to create some IoT-based idea related to my project related to IoT. I have connected to how to protect the an agriculture in respect of their greenhouse effect. So actually, I have my registered office in India. mm, Actually, I have registered in the 2023 the application date, and my patent was published. This is the publication published number, and it is a publication date is. So in the third month I was applied. So within 3 months my patent was published. So in the ninth month my patent was published, and I am the second author hopefully. So ideas is my own idea, but somebody has what is it? They have funded me means. Uh, I'll be giving my idea will be free for others, but others have to pay the amount. So that the person who is from Vivek Dashpanda, how you, he's the one of the what is it? Chairman of one college. He asked me to give some what is it? A larger amount for this project. So not for myself. He's not giving money to me, like for publication of this project, to they have to pay the full amount to this project. So first name I can give him this his name, but the idea is my idea. It's purely my idea, but it was published in the name of Vivek Dashpande. It is not an issue, but the name is not an issue, but the name within. So totally, some 10 people have published. I hopefully some 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Some 15 or 16 people has published, but the inventors. So these applicants, but the inventor is it's my own idea, but these people, other people have contributed the money, but I'm not contributed any money because this is my original project. So like this is the thing I was able to get it from the Indian Patent Office. So this is the description. I can choose my description, and this is my abstract. Okay, so I have given the points where and what are the objective of my field. All those things I have given here, and these are claims. These claims will be very important. So this claim will be an iOS-based greenhouse where it can be used, and how it can able to connect my IoT device, and what are the temperature I am using. How I can able to save this greenhouse from the temperature, humidity, or any soil erosion. Hopefully, what I can do is I just protect my land from temperature, soil erosion, or humidity. So I can able to connect on some sensor device in the field, like in my agriculture field, where I can able to control that all those operation from my home. From my home itself, I can able to control the monitoring of the device in the sensors devices, which was embedded in the my agriculture land. So I can use this sensor, which is called LoRa sensor. It's a low power, high range, because from my home to my agriculture land is around 2 kilometers. So I'm going to control using my mobile phone. I can able to control what is it, the temperature. Like I'm not going to control my temperature, just I'm reducing the temperature. Like what is the situation, what is the temperature now, Like today, my temperature in my agricultural land is 35 degrees. So after reaching some 30 degrees Celsius, I can use some chemical fertilizer, fertilizers to. This is the time to I can able to fertilize into my agriculture field. This is the time to I can what is it? I can able to destroy the soil erosion. This is a time to I can able to increase my humidity. So these are the things I can put some sensor. So this is the sensor I'm embedded with the cloud. I'm operating from my home. Okay, so this is the way I can able to flexibility. I can increasing the productivity of the agriculture. So this is the idea I was given, and based on this idea, we are documented this project, and the project was published. Okay, and it can go to the examination. So next part is going to go into the examination. This is the next step we can go with. And another search it for the my idea is going to be a lens research search. A lens search also you can also search the Google Lens. It's also the search the pattern, a lesson search. Okay, so this is also the free patentable search engine where you can search your patents. Okay, so I have given the 4 points. One is called scope, ES space, lens, and WIPO. Okay, so any keyword you can type related to the patent of your ideas, like literature, you survey, you can, literature review of the paper, you can get it from this lens. So the keyword I just put IoT, you can able to search the keyword. So Internet of Things. So the patentable search results where you can able to get it free of cost from this the lens research. Okay. So it can verify whether you are a valid user or not. Okay, so we are going to the next slide. So these are also the free patentable search. So for US patent, you can search this uspto.gov. For European patents, you can go for a space. For PCT application, you can like our property rights of around the globe, you can search WIPO, Google patent, and free patents on online also available. For Singapore patent, you can search it to ipos.gov.singapore. For Japanese patents, you can search this jpo.go.jp. Okay, so all the patents are available. All the patent, you are the user, so you can apply your patent in any one of the office. Like you can apply in US also, you can apply in European also, you can apply in Singapore also, and you can apply in the Japanese also. So any patentable office you can apply it, but the main idea is main thing is you have a valid idea and you have the valid novelty of your innovation. Okay, so after completion of this, I don't know whether I'm going to share my slide or not, but please make a note of it. These are the very important a patternable search where you can take the screenshot or anything, but very important. Okay, so if you are a Singapore, if you are applying for the Singapore patent, and you can go to this ipos.gov.singapore and you can apply the patent. And another one, I forget to put the UK patent. So one patent I was put it in the UK. I'll do it at the end of the class. So okay, and some paid database also there. So this are the paid database, but you can pay the amount and you can search the patentable ones. So these are some paid databases. Questel.orbit, Total Patent, LexisNexis, and Micro Patent. So these are some paid databases where you can able to get your patentable ideas. So what are the procedure to apply in an Indian patent website? So this is the Indian patent website. As a registered user, you can apply your patent in India. So in India, we can apply in a four way. One is a patentable idea, design the patent, trademark, and you have the geographical indication. So ipindia.gov.in is a URL where you can apply your patent. So what are the things needed for apply for the patent? So you have your own unique title of the product, like your patent, and which field you are invented, and background of the information with the citation. Like I told, no, like you need a literature review of the papers. An objective of the invention is very important. Summary of invention is also very important. Drawing of the invention is very important. You must show the drawing in a flowchart or detailed drawing, and finally you need a abstract and claims. Okay, so these are the things needed for apply for a patent. Madam, யாரும் பேசிக்கிட்டே இருக்கீங்களே. Just disturb பண்ண வேண்டாம், please. Just put your mic on mute. Ma'am, Alafia ma'am. Alafia ma'am. கொஞ்சம் மியூட்ல போடுங்க மேம். ஓகே, தேங்க்யூ மேம், தேங்க்யூ. ஓகே மேம், நோ இஷ்யூ. எல்லாம் மைக்க மியூட்ல போட்டுருங்க. ஓகே, போரிங்கா இருக்கா? எல்லாருக்கும் போரிங் இல்ல? இன்ட்ரெஸ்டிங்கா போதா? ஜஸ்ட் யூ கேன் டெல் about. So போரிங்கா போகுதுன்னா சொல்லுங்க. லைக் ஓகே. Interesting. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Okay. Thank you. Okay. So you need your title, field of invention, background of information with citation, objective is needed, and summary of your invention, drawings is needed, flowchart. It's very innovative flowchart, and detailed drawing of your patent will be very important with abstract content. And this is the procedure to apply in India offices. These are the offices are available in India, like Office of the Controller General of Patents, Design and Trademarks. In Chennai, we have intellectual property right office are located at Gindi. Like வந்து Gindi bus stand பக்கத்திலேயே we have situated. So பாத்தீங்கன்னா like in we have in Nagpur, which is called Rajiv Gandhi National Intellectual Property Right Management Office are there, and in offices like Kolkata, Delhi, Chennai, and Mumbai, patentable offices are there. For design office, which is in Kolkata, trademark registry you can do it in Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata, Chennai, and Ahmedabad. For trademarks means suppose you have some logo for your businesses, you can able to get the logo and brand it. Like not only logo, it's not a trademark. Like I'll tell you what are all the trademarks examples are there. I'll show it. Okay. So like Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata, Chennai, Ahmedabad, we have trademarks. And geographical indication office also available in Chennai, like in the same IPR office are there. And copyright registry, you can do it in Delhi. Okay. So these are the offices are available in India.
Sir, it's audible, sir?
Yes, madam.
So near that geographical indication, that is GI, so in the down you are putting that registry, SOCLD registry. What is that, sir?
Madam, I don't know actually. It's a new one, ma'am. I don't know. Apart from this IPR, I don't know, but I'll tell you, ma'am.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. But basically, you can go for all those things, ma'am. Patent, oneable, designable one, trademarks, and GA. So more five things are very important: patent, design, trademarks, geographical indication, and copyrights. I don't know, but you can search it. Ma'am, what is SCI CLD registry? Okay. So
Okay.
okay. So if you apply for this patent, must be you are being a natural person, like you are the individual person. You can apply for a natural person. Suppose you are the agent, patentable agent, you can apply for a agent. Suppose you have the organization, you just select the organization. Suppose you have some startup companies, you can select the startup. Suppose you have some MSME companies, you can select the small entity. And suppose you have an education institution, like the group of faculties, also you can also able to file a patent. So you can from one college. So if you apply for the college, like you just select the education institution. If your education institution patent will be published or granted, you will be eligible for AICT Kapila, where you will get a amount of 12,100 per patent. So for I don't know, for registry we need a digital signature, but I don't know presently. But we just check it whether we need a digital signature of your own. So you can just select IP India patent registered, like. You just go to this home option. This is the Intellectual Property India website where you can apply to file a patent. Okay, so if you know about, if you want to become a patent agent, you can write the exam of the patent agent exam, which will be conducted by this IP India, and you want to suppose you want to become an agent. So many people can approach you, and they can also you can also patent their innovation, their ideas. Okay, so there is the page, the registration of patent agents also available. This is a process of to register for the patent registry. So as a patent agent examination, you must have your you have to apply it through your passport or any other card with your proof of degree certificate and self-attested citizenship character certificate from the gazetted officer. This 4 is enough for, suppose if you write the patent agent application, and you can register as a patent agent. Okay, so I'll go to how to register for this patent. So here the first option is just called e-filing. There are two filing are there. Directly you can go to visit your all the IP offices. Like Chennai, you can directly go to Chennai office, which was located at Gindi, and you can apply your patent. Or suppose you want to do it in online, like you can go for e-filing of patent application. So there are some, the digital signature is needed. So just you will get a digital signature of your own. That is very, very important. And digital signature, you will get it from some portal. Sir? Hello? Sir, yes, sir. Tell me, sir. Any doubts? Sir, any doubts? Okay. So, if are the irrespective of any states of India, you can apply it through this portal. So this the procedure is there. So the user guide is there. So what all the steps are there, you can go through the steps one by one, and you can make use of it. That for getting the digital signature, this website is enough. eMutra will provide the digital signature for you. Hopefully, it can be around 2,000 rupees or 1,500 rupees. They can provide the digital signature for you with your own name. Okay, so this is the step. First one, you can do the e-signing of your portal. Okay, so you can register as a new natural person. You can see it here. You can select the type of an applicant, a natural person. After that, you will get the digital signature of your own. So for getting the digital signature of your own, you can go to the eMutra website. Okay. So once it is completed, you can provide the e-sign. E-sign means electronic sign for yours. Okay. for your ID, for user ID, they are giving some name, Rajkumar. Okay. So after register your account in eMudra, they will provide the digital signature for you. So I'm verifying your mobile number. Hopefully 250 rupees you can pay it. It's going to be very lesser amount only. In previous and all 1,500, 2,000 they were asked, but now it can be only 250. After your eMudra registration game, you can pay it and you will get the digital signature. This is the procedure to get the digital signature. The digital signature will be coming. The steps are there. So, but they can check your identity, whether you are a human being or not. Okay. So they will give some, they have to give some points to read. I am Rajkumar, apply for e-sign with the Mutra. E-Mutra 7. This is the code for this video. Something you have to record it. They will provide some notes also. Okay. So these are the steps to get the digital signature of eMudra. You can read it one by one so that you can. This is the way where you can get your e-sign from the eMudra portal. Okay. So after that, you can go for this new user. Suppose you are the new persons, you can register in this portal, this IP portal. So the type of applicant you're going to be. Suppose you want to apply for your own patent, just put the natural person, and if you have the e-sign, you will get it from the eMudra website. So eMudra digital. So your e-sign ID they will provide, the name of your that is eMudra they will provide, and user ID password you can give, and applicant circle places and your name, your address, your city pin code, all those things will be you have to register. After only you can apply for your the patents. You can file the patents. Okay. Okay. So this is the patent. Once the patent is registered, then they can provide the patent number for you. Okay. This is the registration process. After patent registration, you can give the specification of application. You can complete the application. Once the completion, then it can get published in the office journal. In the office journal, they can publish your patent, and after that, it can go to the first examination report. Suppose any doubts in the first examination report, they will ask you. So, what is your novelty and what is this step? What you are doing? Something they can put some review. You can able to answer it. Once your answer is satisfied, then they can reply you can reply the examination report. Then the patent will be granted or denied. Somebody has published your patent already, then it can be denied. Or some reason your patent novelty is not coming or mismatching, it gets rejected. And this is the steps where you can, madam. Hello. Hello. Any doubts? Okay.
Awesome.
So you can download the form. The submission of your invention. It's a first step. You can download the form from the Intellectual Property of India website. Form 1, 2, 3, 26. These forms are needed for your invention disclosure. After your patent, you can search the collection of search idea fees. They can ask some fees for registering. And after that, submission of searching, reporting inventors by the patent agent. Suppose through patent agent, you can able to submit your report. So they can reply the search report to the inventors to the patent agent. If there are similar patent available, no further process, it get rejected. You can see the term. If there are similar patents, your project patent get rejected. Okay. So if if not rejected, it can coming to the create a new novelty idea, non-obviousness and industrial applicability, then collection of drafting fee from the inventor. Again, you can get you can pay the amount for the patent drafting. Once the patent drafting is completed, then you can file the patent So Form 18 is needed to apply for the patent. Okay, so we must give the response to the commands. Like any review, we must review the patent, and after the careful reviewing your patent to be published in the patent journal, that abstract of your journal to be published in the patent journal. Once the patent is published, then after 18 months, there is no objection, your patent must be granted. So it will take some maximum of 6 months to 1.5 years, but you can pay some extra amount, some yearly amount, then your patent will be published within 1 year. Okay, so the patent is for 20 years. After 20 years, the inventors can renew the patent with some. Okay, so after 20 years, you can give some renewal charges. So this is the patent application flow diagram. The first step is you can
Excuse me,
give
sir.
the specification of your patent. Yes, madam.
Sir, if any corrections in that pattern, we can resend it again. Is it possible?
Yeah, ma'am. That's one. They can ask some comments, ma'am. After first examination report, madam, they have any queries, they can send a mail to you, or they can post some. They can send a message to you, or probably mail to you. So you can able to review that command. You can able to recorrect your patentable ideas, and you can able to resubmit it, ma'am.
Okay.
Then only they can go for the next step.
Okay.
That is the term. You can see now, after patent is filing, they have to respond the comments. You have any comments, like இது வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா, like நீங்க வந்து ஒரு research பண்ணும்போது ஒரு thesis submit பண்ணும்போது, after your thesis submission, if any any comments in the thesis given by the examiners, then you can recorrect it. The same அதே தான். So you have to respond to the comments which clarify the question which is raised from the IPR of India. So this is the filing the patent application. So first of all, you must have what are the specification, provisional specifications are needed for applying for filing the patent. So after careful after completing the specification, if their patent idea is okay, so all those details were asked by the IPR is correct, then your publication has been done. And if it is not, then our application to be rejected. Okay, so after publication of the application, after 18 months, like the second step, complete specification after the 18 months, but now it's not a 18 months, within couple of months your patent get published. After publication of your application, you can go for the first examination report. In the examination field, they can have some reports. If here also you have some any not satisfied report, then application gets rejected. Then it can come to the hearing. Okay, so order of refusal. So 3 months, within the 3 months, you can appeal for the against the order. Okay, then if order is granted, then your number will be allotted and your patent will be granted. So the fee details. Drafting a patent by your own, there is no fee, but from law firm or patent facilitator, you have to pay some amount from varies from 2,000 to 20,000 or 10,000 to 40,000. As a natural person, if you apply for the patent, but fee is there. I'll show it at the next slides. For Form 1 fee, like 1,750, you have to pay it. For provisional complete specification, there is no fees. And statement undertaking form of section 8, there is no fees. And publication fees, you have to pay 2,750 rupees. And for request for examination, you have to pay for 4,400 rupees. After first examination report, within the 4 years from the filing the patent, but not 4 years, quickly you can get the first report, first examination report. So after first examination report, you have to pay the amount from 5,000 to 20,000. After hearing of 4 to 6 years, this is a very, very huge period. This can be applicable for some foreign patents, but India maximum within 18 months, your hopefully within 2 years. I can say within 2 years your patent will be published, granted. Or earlier, suppose you want to pay for earlier version, you have to grant your patent from minimum of 117 days to 6 months. Your exam fee is different. Yeah. So this is the fees of filing your patent. For filing the patent application for 1235 forms, natural person, I said it's a free, but there is no free here. Uh, Actually, we must put the 1750 na, where, yeah, this the application for granting is only you have to pay for 1750. Okay, for application for granting, you must pay the 1750. And for natural person or some small entity or natural person with the startup, 4,400 rupees. Or small entity for physical filing, it's going to be a minimum amount, 1,750, 4,400. For publication, you have to pay 2,750 for a natural person, or any companies, they have to pay 6,900 rupees. For request for examination, 4,400 for single person, or for company, 11,000. And for a renewal, 880 rupees, and for a person or company, 2,200 rupees. For renewal for 3 year to 6 year, after 3 year to 6 year, 2,650, 6,600. For 7 to 10 year, your renewal after 20 years, I'm saying, okay. So 5,300 to 3,000. For e-filing, like our we are filing the IPR through website. So for it, the fees will be different. Okay, 8,000. It's going to be a triple of your physical filing. So direct filing is much more better than the e-filing. But if you go to an office, filing a physical one, it's a very complex complexity issue. Lot of things are needed, but my suggestion, you can able to file your patent through e-filing. Okay, but it will take very longer. What is it? Not longer time. A huge money is needed. Not huge money. You can see the money here, 8,800. Like for companies, but it's a single person. The amount is very low. Okay, you can take the screenshot of this slide so that you can get the cost of all the patentable application. So what are the opportunities for these patentable ideas? You can go for the government jobs, like you can write the patent agent examination, and so you are the examiner. You can go in any of the organization, like a patent examiner or design examiner, or trademark and geographical indication examiner, copyright examiner. Other jobs, like you want to be a patent agent, trademark agent, and you can apply for a JRF, SRF, or for some patentable office centers also. Next one, trademark. Trademark is the typical intellectual property rights which can show your unique brand of product of your service, which is far other from the competitors in the market. A trademark were used to protect your business name or aspect of your brand. So the main thing of this trademark is you have your unique own standard, that is a business standard or unique brandness of your product or services, that must be have the unique, what is it? You can able to protect your business name from the unwanted entities. So you can see this YouTube. Uh, so what is the trademark? Actually, this is the Australia Intellectual Property Right Office trademarks, but they are giving the renewal after 10 years. We have to renewal, but yeah, here we have to apply for the in India can be 20 years. Renewal must be 20 years, but Australia after 10 years you can renew the trademark application. So these are the advantages of the trademark registration. You can able to provide your rights to a registered owner. As a registered owner, you can protect your trademarks with the against infringement, and you can create a branded value of your own business. You can provide the quality of the services to make the place in the international market. It can help the goodwill for trust for the customers, and it can be intangible asset, and it can provide a global trademark standard which can provide 10 years at the low cost. Hopefully, it can also the 10 years only in India also. Hopefully, and it can allow the use of symbol on the company's logo with attract of human resources. An example for this trademark, I am telling like this is a logo. Like we can go for logo. It's a Nike logo, and we are using Nike shoes. Okay, and the trademark based on the color also. You can see the Cadbury. Cadbury, it's a Kit Kat. There's some company having their color. It's going to be a purple color. They have some color standard also, and shape also applicable. You can say this is the shape of our Coca-Cola bottle. You can go for some bottle. They have some standard of the trademark. Okay, Coca-Cola bottle is different from Pepsi bottle, or it can be different from another juice bottles. Like the shape of the bottle also, it's one of the trademark. And color of the thing also the one of the trademark, and logo also one of the trademark. So we have seen the smell also one of the trademark. So anything you can say, a word also a trademark. So you can able to create it in trademark of your own, like with your own stylish. And this is for a trademark registration. You can file the application. They can provide a application number, but it's going to be a very easy one. Suppose your trademark is going to be an innovative one, which is entirely different from others one, then they can provide the trademark within the stipulated time. Within 4 months of period of time, there is no objection, then your trademark will be proceeded for the registration. Okay, so this is the trademark registration of the trademark, and this is the fees. Hopefully 5,000 rupees is the minimum amount to pay for this trademark. For physically, for e-filing, it can be 4,500 only. For renewal, you have to pay for 9,000 rupees. Okay, so 5,000 plus renewal fee applicable under the for the renewal of entry 3 application.
Sir, excuse me.
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, you are telling that trademark validity is 10 years.
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, after 10 years, suppose I won't renew that one. So that trademark is used by some other company.
Ma'am, no, ma'am. After 10 years, once your trademarks, if you are not renewal your trademark license, they can see somebody using your logo, then they can get. They will see the what is the novelty, the plug of your trademark. They will reject the trademark. Okay, because already your trademark was registered. If somebody can stole your trademark, or somebody can use your stole. What is
so
it?
Suppose
Trademark.
I'm not renewal in this case, what will happen, sir?
Ma'am, it get rejected, ma'am. That's all. Again, you have to put a new application for the trademark. Again.
But the trademark won't be used by other companies.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Definitely, ma'am. Because they have some unique stand. They have also what is that? They have some review time also there. They can take some review time within 3 months or 6 months. They can see the trademark standards of if of your own uniqueness standard means if your standard it's not used, they can reject it. So again, you can put a new application. Then only your trademark will go for the proceeding for registration and publication. And design, the design it's also one of the trademarks. We can go for to write the product to the overall visual appearance of the distinctive product. So here I can say it's a Zimmerman's design for the one. What is it? One females like hopefully girls or women can prefer this type of what is it? Dresses. This is one of the design standard. We can see. Okay. So you just can see this video related to this design one. So this is specifically for Australia country. It's not applicable for our country. So just I want to show what is the design, so that if you show some visualization data videos and all, you can see what is the what are the different types of design strategies are available. Okay. Yeah. And finally, we have geographical indication. Geographical indication also, we have some standard, specific standard. Each and every in India, like each and every city is having their own some geographical indication standard. In India, specifically, we can go for some place like if you go for Nagpur, we go for oranges. Orange will be the specific for geographical indication for Nagpur. In Tamil Nadu, we can go for Dindigul for a lock, and Madurai for jasmine, like Tanjore for a toy, Talayati toy. Likewise, the geographical indication having the same procedure. Suppose you have your own geographical indication of your own country or own city or own rural areas, you can also able to register in the IP India portal, Intellectual Property of India portal. You have to pay the 5,000 rupees amount. The same procedure like in the trademark. You have to initially pay for 5,000 for physically. For e-filing, you have to pay for 4,500 rupees. Same also applicable for this for geographical indication procedure. Okay, and if you want to apply for UK patent, you just to Google it, UK patent, design patent. Suppose you have some design ideas, you can also apply it for this UK. It will be they will take very lesser time to publish your design. Suppose you have some design patent, you have applied for some novelty in the design, so you can apply it in this UK patent registration. They can collect some amount of some 30,000 rupees. For our India value, they can ask you for 30,000, but within 1 month, your registered design will be published. So I just I have registered one UK design patent search. So in this UK design patent search, I have my one designed patent published in hopefully 2 years before. The same IoT, I have given I have shown some my IoT greenhouse effect. That IoT greenhouse effect, I have registered through some designs. How this registered my IoT have protect my seeds from the temperature, soil aeration, or humidity. So I just search my name, like 1 minute. I just put my name of Ram Prakash. 1 minute. Yeah, here the second one, Ram Prakash Shingare it's my design pattern. So I just click this my pattern link here. Yeah, so this is my greenhouse design pattern. You just click this image. So I have designed some images. You can see. I click this image. So this is the designable house I have created to protect from some unwanted disaster happen in irrespective of some what is that, earthquake or some a flood or something happened. So I have designed something for my IoT greenhouse. So these are the models I have created, designable models I have created, and this is the designing. Like you can also create your own design. Okay. It got published in the name of myself is the first author. Yeah. So it was application date is 2023, granted within the 1 month. Hopefully, yeah, within 1 month it get published, and it is the indication of the greenhouse product. And specifically, it can building the units of construction elements with the houses, greenhouse effect with all those things. And illustration, these are the models where I was designed to create it. And I'm the first author of this project. That Deshpande is the second one. So and the history it's not available. So this is going to be registered, and it was published in the UK registered service standard. Okay. So you can also apply if you have some designs, and you can also go to this UK registered design website and you can upload it. Okay. So suppose you have some your friends also want to join with you, you can also join with them, and you can share your amount, and you will get the your pattern get published. Yeah. That's all about from my side. Thanks a lot. Thanks for the opportunity given by the Alva publication in association with the Kadir College of Engineering. And you have any doubts, you can please. Yeah. You have any doubts, you can ask. Okay. Just I need a feedback from all of you people. My session was okay, good, or anything. Just to give your feedback so that I can able to improve my presentation and other things also. Thank you. Any doubts or anything from my side?
Participants, if you have any doubts, you can ask now. This for a query session.
ஒரு ஐபிஆர்னா ஒரு 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 பேசிக்ஸ் தெரிஞ்சிச்சா, ஒரு ஐடியா கிடைச்சிச்சா எல்லாருக்கும்? All of you have got small idea about on IPR from my session? No, nothing. No one can speak. You just put your chat box, please, so that I can understand. Yeah. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Because yeah. Actually, so this is my. I'm Ram Prakash. So from my home, I'm presenting. So yeah, thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for making the session more informative and more useful.
Any other doubts from the participants? No. So thank you. Thanks a lot. Yeah, ma'am. Devi, ma'am. Yeah. Ma'am, directly a patternable agency also there, but you can directly a lot of agency are available, but better you can go to IP patentable office at Chennai if you have the office is near to you, or lot of patent agencies are there. You simply search in Google what are patent of agencies near to my native or something like Trichy, Coimbatore. I hopefully from Chennai and Coimbatore, lot of patent agencies are there. Chennai and Coimbatore mostly. So I'll share the details also them. I'll share the detail what are the patent agent these agencies are there. I'll share the details to Madam Oliva International Application, Madam. Madam will forward to you. Okay. Thank you, ma'am. So make sure that you can write the patent agent exam also. You'll get a more exposure related to this patent. Okay, thank you.
My participants, if you have no doubts, we'll wind up the session. Thank you, sir. Thank you for making the session more informative and more useful to all the faculties.
Thank you. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thank you. Bye.
And I'd like to thank all the participants for listening to the session patiently. Feedback form for today's session is given in the chat window. All the participants are asked to fill the form and you can leave the session. Thank you all.